Hello and welcome back to the Lost Artistry Lash channel. For today's video, I'm going to be bringing to life a dramatic strip lash look on my client, and I'm really excited about it because I've never created a set like this ever before. Let's come over to my iPad so I can show you how I'm going to create this set. Okay, so here's the set that I plan to bring to life on my model. So a couple key points about this set is there are a lot of spikes. I'd say there's about 20 from inner to outer corner. I'm gonna go ahead and follow that same vibe for her. It might not be exactly 20 because everyone has a different eye width. So this model may fit 20, but our model might not. So I'm gonna go ahead and dot the eyelid just so I can see exactly how many spikes I need. But one thing to note is that we do want them very close together so we can really recreate this look. Another thing to note is that the base is really dark. So I'm gonna bump my lengths down to about 6 to 10 millimeters along the bottom layer. And I'm gonna use a mix of handmade fans and pre-made fans to do that. And yeah, just keeping everything nice and dark in there. But I don't want this darkness to carry up into the middle layer because I still want everything to blend seamlessly like it does in this photo. So I'm gonna mix some open fans and spikes for the middle layer and bump up my lengths just a little bit so we can hopefully take away that density. And then for my top layer, I'm gonna use lengths 8 to 14 millimeter. To really enhance that cat eye look, I'm actually going to jump from a 12 millimeter to a 14. I might put 113 just to blend, but I may not. I might just do the full 2 millimeter jump. And that's just to really accentuate that outer corner. I also might bump up to a CC curl on the outer corner as well, just again for lift, but I'm gonna see how it goes as I'm lashing. I never commit to a full mapping plan right off the bat. I'm always assessing, always using my inspection mirror along the way just to make sure everything does look good. Because the worst thing, I don't know if this has ever happened to you guys, but have you ever just done a full set, followed your map to a T, and when their client opens their eyes, it's just not how you pictured? I have experienced that one too many times and I'm not about it. So I always get my client to open their eyes even when I'm halfway through the set. Of course, I make sure that I blow the lashes dry and take off the eye pads and everything, but I like having them open their eyes so I can take a look and see how my work is looking, and that way I'm not overcommitted. Okay, anyways, going back to my mapping plan. So for the very outer corner, I am gonna bump my lengths down just a little bit just to avoid drooping the eyes, but she does have an ascending eye plane, meaning that the outer corner sits higher than the inner corner. So I don't think we'll give her the appearance of a droopy eye, but I just always naturally like to bump my lengths down just in case. So we're gonna go ahead and do that. And I think that's everything that I'm gonna do. But as always, I'm gonna update you guys if I do plan to make any changes along the way. But let's go ahead and get started.